If your Android phone shows the charging icon but the battery isn't going up, or it's stuck at the same percentage, this video will fix it. Most people think their charger or battery is dead, but in 90% of cases, the problem is actually a hidden software glitch that you can fix in minutes. So before you waste money on a new charger, cable, or battery, try these 3 powerful methods that fix almost every phone not charging issue. Let's start with the most accurate diagnosis method. Step 1. Check charger plus test battery and charging system, diagnostics. Before anything else, make sure the problem isn't in your charger or cable. Then go to Settings and search Diagnostics, tap on it. Here select Phone Diagnostics. Here perform Battery Status Test. Tap Battery Status. If it says life is good or normal, the battery is not the issue. Now scroll down and perform Cable Charging Test. Make sure charger is connected now. Tap Cable Charging. If it says normal, your cable is working fine. If both tests pass, that means your hardware is okay, and your problem is definitely software related. So now we move to the fix it. Step 2. Reset battery settings. Open Settings. Scroll down and open Battery. Here scroll down and select Charging Settings. Turn off every feature temporarily. Now restart your phone. When the phone turns back on, plug in the charger. Let it sit for 10 minutes. If the percentage finally increases, you have fixed the issue. Turn all battery settings back on. Step 3. Force restart, fixes deep software glitches. If the problem is still there, this step usually fixes it. Unplug your charger. Press and hold power plus volume down. Keep holding for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone shuts off, release both buttons. Press power again to turn it on. Now plug in your charger and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Your phone should now start charging normally. If this helped fix your Android phone not charging, comment your phone model below.